Check it out.
Tell me if you want something, you can just come on, baby. Tell me if you want something, you can just come on. Tell me if you want something, you can just come on.
Hey everybody, it's Amari again, and your boy Ryan. We're just coming back to you to give you a recap of the manhunt that we had this past weekend. Once again, we're set right here in the fabulous Glen Hotel, having a bite to eat, and let me just say, the manhunt was a fantastic event, everybody. If you missed it, you really missed the treat. But we're going to talk a little bit about what happened at the manhunt right now.
Tell me if you want something, you can just come on.
First, we want to thank everyone who came out and supported the event. It was a fantastic event, a beautiful night, one that goes down in history as one of the greats. So we are very excited about that. And guys, let us take our hat off right now. You guys came out in numbers, you looked fantastic, and you really helped make this event the success that it was. But the women were there in numbers. There were beautiful women throughout the entire floor. And one thing that I really appreciate, Ryan, is that the women were very approachable. Extremely approachable. I gotta be honest, I had some great conversations with the ladies about a variety of topics and saw a whole host of men having those conversations as well. How about you? I did. Tell them a little bit about some of the things people were talking about, what was going on. Yeah, believe it or not, we had great conversations around things such as dating people with children. We also talked about how men feel about dating women to make more money. Now that was a hot topic, or wasn't it? That's right, because it ain't no joke to be broke. And we're not broke. We also talked about the perfect date. So again, great conversations. Let's not forget, major hats off and thank you very much to Dr. Aldewan Tarr. That's our relationship expert. He came in and had great intimate one-on-one conversations with groups of men and women.
I haven't felt like this in a while. All I want to thank you.
We're going to tell you guys what's next for the manhunt because a lot of people wanted to make it out who couldn't, are looking for what's the next event, what's going on. We're going to tell you a little bit about that in just a second.
But before we do that, we're going to enjoy ourselves at Glen's Kitchen right here in the fabulous Glen Hotel right downtown. I'm a block up from the CNN Center. So if you haven't had a chance to come out, you really got to taste this. I mean, the food here is fantastic.
We told you guys about what you missed at the manhunt. We had a great lunch, and now we're going to tell you about what's to come.
So we've gotten a lot of questions just saying, hey, how about creating some smaller, intimate events that are more one-on-one between men and women? So be on the lookout for Manhunt Exclusives. That's going to be a series of events where the ratio will be about 1-to-1, and we'll be featuring different places around town in the Manhunt format.
You guys are going to love it.